Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Today I have something very special for you. Like you can see already when you click in, we had such amazing last week here in our ranch. Have you ever thinking how big challenge is to tell like small breed, and I have small farm, small ranch here in Lapland, so how hard it is to tell for like global audience how nice the breed is. I had so amazing opportunity to do this when I had amazing email last autumn. So today I will tell you the next part about the behind the scenes with the HorseWorldTV and HorseWorldTV filming project when Jesse and Matt was here to filming the Finnhorse TV show for the platform HorseWorldTV. And today I would like to share you more about what kind of stable works we need to make before the filming team came here, so everything can go smoothly and everything goes well. Camera people can working well. Here is our baby horse Uvana, what is Jesse's favorite from my stable. So everything starts with the one email what I got 3 months ago in my email, and then what happened after that? Like hundreds, maybe hundreds messages between me and the coordinator. Oh, what are you doing? You're kissing? You're kissing, you two kissing. Together all the kiss. Yeah. First thing what we need to make all the winter, because with the snow you're eating some Christmas tree. I smell that in your breathing. Some horses love to eat the Christmas trees. What is the name in English? I don't know. But anyway, the Christmas tree. They're growing here in the paddock, so they can eat that freely. And because the etheric oils inside the Christmas tree, it makes the smell on their breath very, very good. Okay, but let's go back to the video. So because in wintertime we have a lot of snow here, and this was a special project, so we need to start filming for preparing the tracks for filming crew already when the first snow arrive, and the first snow arrive in November, so it's like months what we working that the filming crew can moving easily. We can do the sleigh ride here. Normally we do the sleigh ride works only in Apukka resort, but this was a special for us, and maybe next season we can also do the sleigh ride works here in our own place. So it takes like 80 liters of gasoline, that snowmobile fixing all the tracks to the forest, but it was worth it. My husband made all that work because he is the professional to driving the snowmobile, and he know what the filming crew really want to see and how the tracks fix it. So my husband make that kind of work, and I'm just making the contact things and like that. Okay. It was hard work to prepare all the tracks, but it was 100% worth it. I can show you a little behind the scenes video here, what we filming with the sleigh ride. Normal days we don't need snowmobile that much than last week, so Valtteri also fixing a little bit our snowmobile because our snowmobile is super old, 30 years old. It needs a little bit extra maintenance, that everything goes smoothly and the snowmobile don't get broken on the baddest time of the ever. Okay, baby came also to licking the camera. Oh yeah. Alright, and the next thing, our horses, they are very well trained because of course they are customer horses, so they are well trained, and we have also our own drone, and many of our horses work at already many different movies and TV series, so the camera crew and those kind of things are like normal for our horses, but still we need to extra teaching them a little bit that the drone can flying so close of them, and it's not look like bad, they don't scare that, hey, what are you doing? Hop, go away. The baby came so close of me, it's a little bit scary. Okay, let's move a little bit so. Okay, and of course because our horses living on the in wintertime they're living 2 different stables, and summertime they're living 3 different stables, and now when we're filming also on the 3rd stable we need to moving the horses with the trailer a lot of different places in the apukka to our home, and then we make also some of horses going to our summer stable because we're filming the sleigh ride things there. Yeah, so a lot of trailer work also, and of course because it's big filming show we wanna know that we wanna make everything looks great, and we wanna share like the best thing what we ever can do it, so we need to clean a lot of things that everything looks great. We're cleaning our tack room and the feed room, and we oiling the saddles and harnesses, and then we also washing some of our horses. I don't wash normally my horses in winter time because we have cold stable. It's -degrees all the time here, so if I don't have warm place I can't drying them and they can go sick. So, and the horses don't really need the washing things because if they are sweaty or dirty they can just rolling on the snow like Ville did on the last video, so it goes cleaning on the different way. Are you okay? Tiltu likes me. Yes, you liked me. You came to look that everything goes well on the filming. So that was my actually first time when I need to wash some horse in winter time. So yeah, it was something different also. And about the total project, 3 person working like full time whole week, that everything goes well. I'm and my husband, we are like on the show, like with teaching Mejest and Matt how to do everything with the Finnhorses, and then I had one of my employee who working with us, looking that the horses looks great, looking that the horses are on the right place, right time, and then when we're moving with the snowmobile, there my husband, I'm riding and driving the horse with the sleigh, and then my husband driving the camera crew with the snowmobile and the camera crew sitting on the sleigh. So that was how everything goes well. So this was like full project for us. It was worth 100%, but it needs a lot of work, but it was so funny to do something totally different than normally in the weeks. And otherwise, like the farm, our ranch was totally closed for other customers at the same time when we're filming. So it was also a little bit like lose money and a lot of messages that I need to say that no, we can't take you this week because we are closed. But I think so it was worth it for the future. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Next behind the scenes video I show you what we did on the whole week. And please remember to follow our channel if you are interested to see more information videos about the horses in Lapland, how to survive with the cold degrees. And yeah, let's see you on the next video. Bye bye!